Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Let's go make this amazingly delicious Guyanese Metemgee. You guys know nothing beats a warm bowl of our traditional classic. All right, but I'm putting a little twist on it today, but I'll be using pan-seared salmon. You guys can definitely use what you like. All right, so these are the list of our ingredients and they will be listed in the description box as well. So to a pot, you are going to add some oil and your aromatics. Then you're going to fry this up for about a minute or so. Add some house green seasoning. If you don't know how to make it, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Then you're going to add your ground provisions here. And what I like to do is to just fry this up for a bit before I go in with the liquid. You guys can use straight up coconut milk, but I'm using stock and coconut milk today. All right, so after about 15 minutes, I go in with my turned plantains, bring everything to a boil, make sure they're nice and fork tender. Then I'm going to set them aside to make room for my fluffy duff. Yes, guys, if you guys want to learn how to make this, everything that I'm using here again will be in the description box. All right, I have stuffed the video. I also leave the link in the description box. Absolutely divine. Let me know if you guys love fluffy duff or fall duff. If you're a fall duff fan or a fluffy duff fan. Me, straight up fluffy duff, man. I just can't stand fall duff. But I do know some people who love their fall duff. So I'm not going to knock it too hard. All right. Amazing. So now you're going to add it to the pot where you would have removed most of the provisions. Place it there, cover. Do not peek, guys, unless you really want full duff, for until about 13 to 14 minutes. It should be light, airy, and fluffy, and please remove from pot and set aside. Absolutely delicious. So here I was holding the phone with one hand and just trying to show you guys what it looks like. So bear with me here. Absolutely delicious, guys. I can't wait for y'all to try it. Somebody really needs to make seafood stuff stuff, because I mean, I do not eat those kind of food, but hey, if y'all eat it, you can make it, okay? And let me know. Tag me, give me a shout out, let me know if you did. All right, you can stuff your duff maybe with shrimp or whatever you eat. So now we are going to do our pan-seared salmon. And everything that I used to season my salmon, so I just kept it very simple. Looks amazing. The skin was nice and crunchy and crispy. All right, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to subscribe.